Horror Nights 35 kicks off here at Universal Studios in 4 weeks. So let's walk around on this rainy day to check out everything that's going on around the park in preparation. One scare zone down. Let's go to the next one. Next up is the Fort Nightmares scare zone, and there's not too much going on, so we're just gonna speed run this one. All right, here we are on the other side of the Fort Nightmares scare zone. Just a little hidey hole for someone to hop out of, and a little platform. How wonderful would this area be with like a treehouse of horrors, kind of spoopy overlay? Nightmare fuel, blood norm coming for you. I cannot wait. While I was here Sunday, the food booths were not. I see two in front of me. Let's check them out. Our first food booth is pretty exciting in my opinion because it's the Squawk. I absolutely love the vines around it, the details around the antenna. 10 out of 10, no notes. And then over here we have the Meats Meat. Guys, so creepy. Little handprint. I'm sure it passes inspection though. While Diagon Alley isn't totally themed out for Halloween Horror Nights, there are some areas where you'll find the Death Eaters. As we head into the San Francisco area, I noticed a lot of trellises over here, which makes me think there's going to be some sort of activation before you get to the main event.
Don't sleep on Club Horror because it is a great spot to take a break from the scares and to have fun with your fellow HHNers.
Obligatory spin. It wouldn't be a video without one. Thanks for joining me on this walk around Universal Studios Florida to check out the Halloween Horror Nights progress. I'll see you next week and in the fog.